What's up, guys? Welcome to this video, and today I'm going to make a neon dog. Oh my gosh, in my last video you guys know that I showed you that I have to just make only one dog full grown, then I can make it neon, and now I made up to make that dog full grown, and now I'm going to make it neon in this video. I'm so excited because the neon dog, the glowy dog, is really so cute, and with the Justin glasses it looks so much cute. Okay, so you guys can see that I have fur dog which is already full grown, and I'm going to make it neon. I already have a neon dog. My target is to make a mega neon dog. I'm really excited about it, so let's get started. Okay, so first let's take a vehicle, and I'm going to show you a magic. You wanna see it? Look at this. We're floating on the river. Oh my gosh, I really love it. Okay, can we do it really? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so exciting. Okay, it's so enjoyable. Okay, so let's go and make our dog neon. And you guys know I'm making mega neon dog and mega neon cat too. Okay, so let's go. We are now in the magical place where we can make our pet neon and mega neon, and here is the girl who always stays here, and her name is Nixie. Let's talk with her and let's see what she told. Oh my gosh, she's smaller than me. Maybe she's like a sister. Okay, let's talk with her. Okay, hello there and welcome to my cave. Okay, this cave used to be a place where animals would visit to combine their spirits. They did this to strengthen their friendships. I'm not sure if the magic still works, but you can give it a try. Find 4 fully aged up creatures of the same kind. Okay, so we know about it, and so we're just going to do it. Okay. Oh, our pet will be glow. Okay, I'm so excited, Nixie. I'm going to try it on my dog. Thank you so much for your opinion. Okay, so let's go. Hey, place our dog. Okay, I'm going to take out a dog. Oh my gosh. Let's remove the everything from him, because I'm going to make it neon, so I think I should remove everything. Okay, I removed everything, and let's place on this first because I like this pink though, but I'm going to place it on blue one. Okay, so let's place it 1, now 2, 1. Okay, does it have any item on it? Okay, nothing. Place the page. Another. Place it. And another. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So 1, 2, 3 stir. Oh my gosh, she's making my dog neon. Oh my gosh, he's glowing so cute. Oh, you guys can see that it turns. Oh my gosh, the blue color is glowing. Oh, it's looking so cute. I'm so happy about it. Okay, so we have now 2 neon dogs. I have another one. Okay, are the same? Yeah, they're same. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's get my new one. Okay, okay. I really love my dog. Let's dress up my cute dog with some Justin glasses. Yeah, and the crown. No, it's not good that much. Should I give it? Yeah, that's looking cute. Okay, that's looking cute. Okay, but I have anything else? Okay, let's see the wings about it. Are they cute? I like this one. Okay, so let's go. My dog, my neon cute now new dog wants some food. Okay, let's take out our magical vehicle, the hoverboard. Ooh, okay, let's go to school because we can get the food and some water for my pet. My cute doggy. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's glitching my phone off. Okay. Let's drink my cutie. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of pets. Okay, no, we have to go to camping because my dog wants to get a camping. And you guys know about the new update. It's really cool and so peaceful. I really love that. Okay, so let's go camping. You guys know that I won a toy today. It's the Frost grappling hook. I really love that Frost grappling hook. Ah, where is my pet? Disappearing every time. Okay, let's go to the camping. Okay, the Frost grappling hook is really stylish. I love this grappling hook. Okay, so let's go and make my cute doggy sleep. Okay guys, I'm making a lot of pets neon. You guys can see that my red panda is for, so I can make it neon. I have a lot of things which I can make neon. I'm so happy about it. I'm so excited. Okay, let's glitch into this house. Oh, okay, you got I glitched into it. Okay, fine. Now how to get out? Oh, I got out? Oh, it's so simple. I'm so glitchy. Oh, my dog finished the camping. And you guys can see that my dog is really so much cute. Okay, so what I can do now? Let's see about my cats. Oh, those are newborn now. I have to hard work about it. Okay, fine. Let's. Oop, my Glyptodon. No, I don't want the Glyptodon now. I want to keep my cute neon new dog. Okay, let's use a vehicle. First come into here and then get a vehicle with this. Okay, let's try it into the pond. Wow, it's working. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oop. Okay, so we have to go back to our home. let's go then. Okay. Okay, I'm going to my home. Okay, oh my gosh, this server, oh, it's so empty. Oh my gosh, now you want to go into the hot spring? This isn't fair. You should tell it first. So, where is my pet now? Here. Okay, give my cute doggy a little butt. Okay, after this butt, we are going to go to the hot spring. And you guys know that in the new fall update, I really love the hot springs place. It's so cute than the before one. I wish I could have that hot spring tub forever. But as it is seasonal, we can't get it forever. Okay, so let's get my grappling hook and go to the hot spring. I know I'm going to lose my neon dog. Okay, so let's go there into the hot spring. Okay. Oh, those umbrellas, they're so cute. Okay, how they go there? From there? Or maybe from there? Oh my gosh, I fall down. Okay. Okay, let's get into the bathtub. Okay. Oh my gosh, it's a cute pool. I really love it. Oh. Okay, I really love this tub. And I showed you in my exploring video of this update that we can get the tub into our house too, and it's really seasonal and we can get it in our house. I am making my money for it. I really love that hot bathtub. It's really so cute and cool. Okay, alright guys, for today I'm waiting up here. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and please like this video and comment down below if you want me to make a video on your topic, and hit the bell to get notifications. Bye.